This is the Home Buddy can crusher that we ordered, and here it is when we got it. It came with these wall anchors and screws. We opted not to do that and to put it directly into the studs. We have an unfinished basement where we wanted to put this, so it was really easy for us to put it right onto the studs. We just marked where they went, did a little pre-drilling, and then put all of the screws into place. It was super easy to install. It took literally no time at all. And then we got to testing it out, which was actually really fun. And I found that it works really, really well for cans. It did a great job at that. And I decided to try bottles as well, just because I wanted to see if it would work. And we found that it would do the smaller 12-ounce bottles without the lid on, and also the 16-ounce size water bottles. It did those fine with no problem, but a 20-ounce soda bottle did not fit as is. If we squished it down a little bit, it would fit, and then it would crush it. We don't have any of the larger cans right now, but it would work for those. So it has a variety of uses. I think they only recommend cans, so I don't know how well it holds up over time with the bottles, but we loved this a lot. I'm so glad we bought it. I think it is a great product.